How to fix Instagram mention to story problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the mention problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. And now open the apps on your phone. After that, you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just keep waiting like this and then scroll all the way down until you find the Instagram. And when you find it, click on it like this and now click on this force stop option and then click on the data usage and make sure that all these options are enabled because sometimes it's just from the Wi-Fi is not enabled in the app. After that, all what you have to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.